This is cool. This is really cool. I think this is gearless. God damn it, my fart's stinking up the whole elevator. I really hope no one stops to get on. Because they're gonna know. Like, they're gonna know. Alright, 18th floor. Yeah, these are pretty quick. Or this is pretty quick. I feel like this is faster than the other two. Oh, hi. Oh my god, it's cringeovation. Oh. Not bad, how are you?
Not so bad.
You've done it?
Mm-hmm.
Fuck yeah, I go there too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, what major?
Business analytics.
Okay, shit, I'm electrical engineering.
Nice, dude. No way.
Yeah, that's so funny. I don't see DU people.
I know, I just graduated.
Oh, fuck yeah, nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be a sophomore.
Oh, nice, dude.
I'm in Nagel this year.
Oh, so fuck yes, dude. That's the best dorm.
I was rooting for Nelson. That's where all my buddies are.
Dude, I had the best time of my life in Nagel.
Really?
I swear to God, yeah. It's
All right,
the
I'm
most
psyched.
fun I've had.
I'm psyched, dude. That's sick, dude. I'm
It's
so pumped
awesome.
that I just saw another DU
What's
guy.
your name?
Sam. How about
Oliver.
you?
Nice to meet you, man.
Oliver?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, bro.
I'll see you around.
For sure, for sure.
Are you from here?
Yeah. I live up in Waukegan.
Nice. There's a ton of Chicago people.
Oh,
Do
no,
you?
for sure. I never run into him, though.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm just taking a video for a project.
No, you're good.
That's funny, though. Hey,
I
take
know.
care, bro.
You too. You're good.
Oh, thank you.